All right, guys, here's sort of my backup for today's activity in case it doesn't work. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to run the simulation so that you guys can get the data from it and all of that, show phenomena, everything. So here we go. Okay. So at 0 kilometers, which is your first one, make sure you write down the density, the pressure, and the temperature. Remember, when you're filling this out in your charts, we're talking about the filling in the pressure in pascals and the temperature in degrees Celsius. There are two lines or two columns for pressure in atmospheres and temperature in Fahrenheit. Your activity is set up that you don't have to do anything. Once you type in pressure in pascals or temperature in degrees Celsius, it will automatically convert it and give you an answer in those two columns. So here's your data for 0. Five kilometers with a phenomena.
Most weather-related phenomena, such as storm clouds and short-term changes in pressure and temperature, exist relatively near Earth's surface in the troposphere.
Ten kilometers.
Jet streams are winding ribbons of strong wind caused by temperature differences near the top of the troposphere. Jet stream winds can reach 185 kilometers per hour.
25.
The ozone layer is located in the stratosphere. Ozone is a form of oxygen. Ozone has 3 oxygen atoms per molecule, unlike the oxygen we breathe, which has only 2. The ozone layer is important to life on Earth because it protects living things from the damaging effects of solar radiation.
50. 60. $75 kilometers.
Noctilucent clouds are the highest clouds in Earth's atmosphere. They exist in the mesosphere, where temperatures are very low. Noctilucent clouds are formed when ice crystals cling to dust particles in the air.
100 kilometers.
Meteor trails, sometimes called shooting stars, are actually rocks or other particles from space entering Earth's atmosphere and burning up before they hit the ground. They usually become visible around 100 kilometers above sea level.
150.
The ionosphere is a layer of electrically charged particles located in the thermosphere. These particles, called ions, can interfere with radio waves sent from Earth. The presence of the ionosphere makes it possible to transmit radio signals from one side of the globe to the other.
This is 200 kilometers.
Auroras are brilliantly colored flashes of light that occur when solar flares from the sun create magnetic storms near the poles of the Earth. Auroras are sometimes called the northern or southern lights.
$400.
Auroras are brilliantly colored flashes of light that occur when solar flares from the sun create magnetic storms near the poles of the Earth. Auroras are sometimes called the northern or southern lights.
And that's the entire activity. So now you're going to go forth, you're going to make your graphs, you're going to answer your questions, and then this is going to be for a lab grade, so a summative grade. So we're taking everything we've learned about the atmosphere, and you're going to show me that you understand it with this activity. So nice job, guys.